this is a check stub from last month. I made $625 with one client, 5 signings. So that's $125 per signing. This is another client of mine, $300. That's per 3 signings. Those are 30 to 40 minute signings. They're pretty quick and easy. So money is to be made. Hi, my name is Mary Haroon from Cedar Springs, Michigan. Before loan signing system, I was a full-time security guard, head of security. I did taxes in the winter. Whatever we had to do to pay the bills, we did. My husband was working at the time as well, but we were struggling. We were living paycheck to paycheck, and we didn't want that anymore. A friend of mine in the tax office told me I should become a notary, and I thought to myself, well, notaries don't make money. I need to make money. I don't know how this is going to work out. But then he sent me a video of Mark and the loan signing system, and Mark mentioned in there that loan signing agents can make $75 to $150 an hour, and to me that really sparked my interest. So I decided I needed to invest in myself, and I bought the loan signing system. I felt very comfortable in the new environment, and I felt very comfortable with doing the loan signing because the system shows you and tells you what you need to do. It teaches you the loan documents. It teaches you the lingo. You get to talk about what's in those loan signing, and there's so much more that is taught in the loan signing system, and it's even gotten bigger since I started, and I'm still re-watching videos because there's new material added all the time. But I started in 2020, and I quit my job within 2 months. So I was doing just loan signing. I was full-time. I still consider myself full-time, even though I don't work 40-hour weeks. So recently, like last month, this is a check stub from last month. I made $625 with one client, 5 signings. So that's $125 per signing. Those are purchases and seller's packages. It's for a realty company that I work with. This is another client of mine, $300. That's per 3 signings. Those are 30 to 40 minute signings. Some of them are 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends on what I'm doing. If it's a seller's package, they're pretty quick and easy. So money is to be made. That's the bottom line of what I'm trying to say. Money is to be made. The loan signing system not only made it so that I could work for myself, it improved my life. I went from living paycheck to being my own boss, taking vacations when I wanted to, being there for my family when I needed to. And that's the key, is I got to do things that I needed to do that I could not have done with a traditional 9-to-5 job. If I were to do it all over again, I would definitely do the loan signing system course. It was definitely worth every penny that I invested in it. It's an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future, and it's an investment in your family. Is that something you want for yourself and your family? Do you want to be able to do what you want when you want? If you want that, you need to be a business owner. And to be a business owner with the loan signing system, it is the cheapest investment you will ever make to be a full-time business owner. No other business is that easy to invest in and get started with as little capital as you need for this. I would highly recommend anyone to get started. Go and watch the videos, go and sign up with the loan signing system, and change your life.